Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnaan Ahmed back with another video. So today we have the Boat Xtend, that's a smartwatch from Boat obviously, and we are going to unbox this and I'm going to give you an unboxing experience, and also let's check out the box details and also the contents. So here's an unboxing knife, a cutter because I have lost the unboxing knife because I'm inconsistent and also forgot how to make videos. So for now, let's get in the video. Let's start the unboxing. So thanks for tuning in. Let's roll the intro. So alright guys, here is the device, the box itself, which says watch Xtend on the top left, and there is a board branding on top right, and Alexa built-in. Reminder again that this watch comes with built-in Alexa. So there is the screen dimension given there, 4.3 centimeter or 1.69 inches, full touch display, stress monitoring, customizable watch faces. So that's done, and on the right there is KL Rahul, and on the back side, push beyond your limits, key highlights of what the watch offers, and on the right we have voice control your world with Alexa, and just briefing about how Alexa works or a few commands that you can give. And then there is this detailed info given on the back side, and over here there is the pricing that says 7,990, which again is wrong. I had bought it for 2,999 on Amazon, and surprisingly the price just raised a bit to 3,200 this morning. And there is the box contents given there: charging norms and precautionary guidelines, charger brick 5 volts 2 amperes, and package contains one Boat watch Xtend, one USB magnetic charging cable, one user manual, and one warranty card, and social media handles of Boat on the other side. So let's get with the let's get started with the unboxing. And now let me just peel off this thing with the cutter. I'll just have to give some slits and then this just comes off. Let me just open that. So this is how the tape comes off, and now let's search for the seal. I guess it'll just come out, and there you go. There is the watch itself on the top, and let me try pulling this out. The watch comes out with the strap fixed already. Let me keep this down for a second and let me check out other box contents. There is this magnetic cable that's for the charging. Let me just pull that out and show you. Yep, there is this magnetic platform that gets attached to the watch. Let me just remove the watch and show it to you in a moment, but before that let me check what else. There is a warranty card, there is a Boat sticker, and a user manual with few other brochures and stuff. For now let me just keep this aside, and I might need this is setting up Alexa guide. First let me pull out everything. So connecting to the app, this requires the application, so let me just take that out and rest. Let me keep that aside and let's focus on the watch now. This is the Boat watch Xtend. Let me just remove this from inside. How do we remove this? Oh, okay, let me try pulling this up. I guess that's the way. And then we have this sticker over here. Let me just peel this off. Oh, beautiful. That's cool. Let me keep the sticker aside. Let me fix it there. And then guys, there is this dial, a beautiful dial, and then we have this cable. Let me remove it. I'm not turning it on because I don't know how to. Let me just go through the user manual. But before that, let me wear it and show it to you guys once. I'm seeing through the camera, so it's a bit difficult. So I'll probably fast forward the video here. So there we go, that's the watch, and let me just set it up and be back in a moment. So alright guys, it says that we just need to long press the button to turn it on. So let me just try that. There is nothing happening. So guys, welcome back. We are back on the screen. I did turn the watch on, but because there was no power, or the charge in the watch, it had to be charged, so I used this magnetic charger provided, and there is a socket on the back side that gets attached to this magnetically, and then comes the main setup part. After you open up the watch, there is this barcode QR code shown there, so you'll need to install this application Boat Wave from the Play Store. Click on open and then give off the permission that it asks for. Health, there's some experience now. Software user agreement I have read, and you guys can just read it once. Click on register. You'll have to register. For now, skip this part. I'm not gonna register it. Select an area, click on tick, country or region. Please let me type. Okay, let me just manually select India. Click India, click done. Nickname, I'll just give my name, Adnaan. Move, mail, move, birth date, let me just some random height and weight, and then setting up the steps. Click on add a device, click on watch, or if you have the band you can select bracelet. It shows this watch name Xtend 41B, and there is Xtend 4A1B. Select that and it's binding. So let's just wait and see what happens next. Please confirm wearing on the wearable device. It's asking for confirmation. Click on tick, and now it's binding. So it's successfully done, and now I have the device ready. So I can, I guess, move ahead, check out stuff. D&D mode on, D&D mode off. I can control D&D mode of the phone, I guess. So this enables or disables, maybe. Connect the app. Brightness can be increased or decreased. 3, 4, 5 brightness levels. Let me keep this phone aside because the pairing is done. So here's this 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 back again. So what does this do? So there are the activity trackers on the right side, and on the left again the same thing. So guys, I got confused with what are the features. When you go back to the home screen, you guys need to click on this dialer over here, and then you can scroll up using this slide, or I mean the touch screen, and then you have a lot of other options. You guys can check that out as well. So this was the notifications from the top, and then you guys can check out other features on the Boat app. Let me just check out where the Boat app is. It was Boat Wave, right? It's here. Click on finish and not on login, and there are few options. Firmware upgrade, let's do that later, not now. Message notifications, you can enable message notifications, WhatsApp, emails, SMS, missed calls, and YouTube. And then comes the call alerts. You can enable this or disable this. Amazon Alexa, then go to preferences, you can select the preferences, then click on yes, and then go to user or device, and then you guys can just go ahead and change the what you call the screens. If I select this one, this looks cool. Analog watch face, add and install. Please log in and install. So for now I'm not logging in. You guys can just log in and then install the screen and it will be displayed here. So this is how the easy setup works, and you guys can go ahead and check this watch out. The link is given in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye. Have a great day.